Hello everyone. My name is Aniket Pandagay. I am basically from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. I completed my graduation in computer application from Sri Baneshwar Art, Commerce and Science College, Ahmednagar in 2020 from Pune University. I had enrolled on 6 September 2022 for internship program at Evision. The online platform was so easy to learn around with our module and make our own project very easily. With the help of training in native language, I got selected in CMS IT services with the salary package 2.5 LPA. Irrespective of the educational background, everyone will be welcome here if they are willing to learn about new technologies. Thank you, eVision and their team for good support. Thank you.
Thank you, Evision.
Join Evision, join job.